Imagine the roar of a vintage Jaguar on a winding forest road, or the gleam of a Porsche 911 in a private collection. Classic cars aren't just relics of a golden era. They're masterpieces forged by visionaries who pushed limits, built to withstand time and trends. With each model, scarcity grows, and so does demand. Modern markets may shift, but a classic's legacy remains, turning every mile and every polished fender into a statement of unwavering belief. These are machines that have faced decades and still turn heads, securing their place as lasting symbols of value and determination.